A lot of students find it difficult when searching for materials on the internet due to the process involved in searching for these materials. I'll kindly show you how to check for materials on the internet in a very easy way using your Android phone. The first thing is to select your browser. I prefer using Opera for some personal reasons. First thing you do is to type in the Google website. Move to Google. Move to Google. Then input your search word. Let's assume we are searching for documents on COVID-19, particularly in Nigeria. And we want documents that are published on COVID-19 in the year 2021. What we do is we write COVID-19, and search. When you search for documents about COVID-19 in without specification, it will give you a lot of materials that will not give you perfect relevant information needed for research, which is even including pages like blogs will come out for you to see, which is not needed. So for you to give a perfect filtering while searching for documents online, you make some specific use of the Boolean operators like and, the or, and other types of Boolean operators. Let me be specific using the and Boolean operators. And you have and. Then I want to be specific about COVID-19 documents published in Nigeria. I will now type Nigeria. And I still want to be specific about COVID-19 documents published in 2021 in Nigeria. I will now indicate 2021. Then add PDF. This will now give you documents that are published on COVID-19 in Nigeria in the year 2021 that are published in different journals. So the selections, you avoid unnecessary documents. You can see the output. COVID-19 situation analysis was published in May 2021. We have COVID-19 situation analysis, also another one published in April 2021. The coronavirus database in Nigeria from the Nigerian Center for Disease Control. Another relevant information. As you keep going down, you see this was published in 2021 at Gain Health, and other relevant documents that have been published. So documents published in 2021 will come up before any other documents. You can scroll down for more information. Then you can see these are documents published in 2021. Let's assume I'm looking for thesis on COVID-19, thesis or projects on COVID-19. I can also be more specific. I will remove the 2021 and then I'll now say thesis or dissertation, as the case may be, depending on the institution. It will now give you the output to see coronavirus pandemic outbreak and performance, a preliminary assessment of standard. You see PhD thesis view. You can see if you open this now, it will give you an insight, the content of that preliminary assessment of this. You can download it freely. You see other documents also, the impact of COVID-19 on women, knowledge, attitude, and practice. This was published in this. These are the various documents. So the impact of COVID-19, and so important information on the subject matter will be displayed. This is the best way to search for information using the and Boolean operators. In our next class, I will be specific and I will give more highlight on how to use the OR Boolean operators in combination with the AND Boolean operator, or as well as the NOR Boolean operators. Thank you. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of this.